All right, guys, we're unboxing today the Freescan Combo from Shining 3D, the latest and greatest laser 3D scanner. And this one is Metrology-Grade, meaning you get down to 0.02 millimeter point accuracy. Point distance also goes down to 0.05 for super high detail. But we're gonna unbox it today, show you exactly what you're gonna get, what you're going to experience when you buy off visionminer.com. These are in stock and ready to ship. And let me tell you, I've been using it the last few weeks and I wasn't sure if it was gonna get much better than the HX, but it did. So let's dive right in and I'll give you all the specs and everything as we go through the experience. So you open up the box and you'll notice this comes in a wonderful Pelican case. Now this case is just the right size to fit in an overhead bin on an airplane. So if you're traveling and doing work like this is a great thing to have. Keeps everything safe. It's Pelican-style, so you get rollers and you even get a handle over here where you can literally roll it around. We'll go ahead and open it up here and you'll find when you go in, you get some manuals, some quick start stuff, some little brochures. Every scanner does come with a copy of Solid Edge Shining 3D Edition, which is just another CAD program. So if you're using Fusion 360, SolidWorks, something like that, you won't need it. The red bundle comes with GeoMagic Essentials, and that is your reverse engineering software to take the point cloud data and turn it into CAD bodies and actual features and objects. So if you're reverse engineering, that's definitely a software to consider. We've got all that on our site as well. Next, we have the calibration certificate. Very nice. And then you'll see you come right to the unit itself. We'll just go straight to the goods, why not? So, as you can see, it's very small. My first impression when I held this thing was that it's heavy, not heavy, but it's solid. It feels solid because it's made of, I'm pretty sure aluminum. It just feels nice. It's cold, it's got that cold metal feel, but it just fits in the hand really nicely. They got these rubber grips and rubber feet, so you can actually set it down and it's on rubber, so that's really nice. Looks like something you'd find at a Star Destroyer or something Imperial out of Star Wars. Very, very cool, very nice design. And of course, it comes with markers. And it actually comes with two different sizes of markers. If you're using the laser scan mode, you will need to use markers because that's what it uses to triangulate everything. If you're using the infrared V-cell light mode, then you won't need to use markers, it'll use the feature detection. So for body scanning without full color, this is by far the best one to use. If you're getting action poses or anything like that, you can do it really quick. I was very impressed. So you've got the two different sizes of markers. You got the 6mm markers, and for more detailed, smaller parts, you got the 3mm markers. And of course, you go into here, it has a marker removal tool. This is really handy if you have to put them all over an object. You can just scrape them off with this, save your fingernails. And then of course, power cable and the power adapter block. Now this, the power, the way it works is this block plugs into the wall, and then it's got a little barrel connector that plugs into the data cable. And you'll see here on the USB end that plugs into the USB 3.0 or 3.1 on the computer, you've got a little power input there. So you'll need a wall outlet or a power bank. We do have power banks designed specifically for these. If you're scanning out in a field somewhere with a laptop, that makes it really handy for that. We've got those on the site as well. This is your scanner cable in general, and this is about 10 feet, it's 3 meters, so you get really good distance to scan around larger objects. On that note, this is probably one of the best for cars and larger objects and things like that. It is the newest, it is the latest and greatest technology, and it works really well. I wasn't expecting much after the HX. The HX does so well, and this thing's just been blowing me out of the water. So we've got here a little barrel connector, and that just snaps right into the unit there, and then the USB snaps right into there, and that's how you connect it. Then you have to pull this little sleeve to actually disconnect the power and everything else. And then you've got these two dongles. Now this one is gonna have some licensing stuff and Shining 3D's Solid Edge CAD program, but this is the dongle that you need to have plugged into your computer when you're using the scanner. Why you have to have a dongle for your scanner, I don't know, but just keep note of that. Now, if we take this foam out right here, then you will see the calibration board. They really re-upped the design on the calibration boards, so it's got full instructions here. You open it, you place it on the ground, you use it, and then you put it away. So this is really nice. You've got the entire instructions, some different little, tips, etc. And then you open it up, and this is a little bit different as well because it is actual markers. You've got a left side and a right side and protective film inside. The calibration process on this is very simple, very quick, very easy. Check out our video on the calibration if you want to see that. Special things about this scanner. What's special about this scanner? Well, first off, it uses 26 laser lines for your global scan, just scanning your general objects, but it also has a feature to use 7 parallel lines, which lets you get more detail and just spend more time on certain areas. And it's got probably my favorite feature, which is the single laser line. Single laser line, first off, it's fun because you're just scanning over something and watching the entire thing come in. And you only got one laser line, so it's picking up all the data along that laser line, so it picks it up really fast. But the real purpose of the laser line is for getting deep hole data. Previously, on a lot of scanners, depending how far apart your triangulation cameras are, you can only see so far down into a hole, and then you've got lasers projecting from both sides, and so those cross sections and the points that it can see only go a few centimeters down any hole. With this, in the single laser line, you can get much deeper data. Say you're scanning an engine block or something like that, you can get much more data inside holes than with any other scanner. On top of all that, it's also got the infrared V-cell laser light. It's infrared that uses, it's kind of like structured light, but infrared, and it doesn't require markers, and it's just sort of a rapid scan mode. That'll get you up to 0.2 millimeter point distance compared to the maximum on the lasers of 0.05 millimeter point distance. Now remember, point distance or resolution is different from accuracy. The scanner is always the same accuracy, and that's 0.02 millimeters. Your point distance resolution is how many points it's picking up and how dense those points are in the point cloud. If you want more info, you want us to scan something for you, we sell these on visionminer.com/scanners. We've got them in stock, ready to ship today. We're always happy to hear about what you're doing with them, what you want to do with them. We'll help you pick the right scanner for what you're actually doing, and we also support these. So instead of calling a bunch of places, you pick up the phone, call Vision Miner. There's a good chance the person answering the phone can answer your question about the scanner, because we cross-train everybody, so everybody uses everything a little bit, and we handle 99% of the support. If we don't know what to do in that situation, then we have special contacts at Shining 3D that we can reach out directly to and get you connected. So whatever happens, we've got your back. We're here to help. All right, guys, that's all we've got for today. So if you got questions, leave them in the comments down below. Hit that like button to subscribe if you liked it and you want to see more of it. We're always doing tons of videos. We specialize in high-temp thermoplastics 3D printers and reverse engineering 3D scanners. That's all we do, and we use these things every day. So give us a call, shoot us an email. Thank you so much for watching. Have a positive rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video. Hello? Hello?